Good news everyone, the Android Basics tutorial, Fundamental Concepts for Android and App Development for Beginners, source code and graphics are now available for free for you to download and use at my GitHub profile. If you go straight over to github.com/Zorani and you look for the Droid101 repository, you'll find complete project folders. And here you'll see source code, Droid101, main, source code, all of the great Java code that you've seen me write in the videos, and also all the graphics that you've seen. High resolution graphics, amazing. It's a great tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it. It helps you build great intuition for developing games using Java, whether you're coding it yourself or using a gaming engine creator like Unity. I've recently released a asset on the Unity store to help you, or if you take a look at this, to help you develop games quickly. You can drag and drop and do lots of other things. It's very difficult to implement, but as part of the overall Unity gaming engine, it'll help you accelerate your game development very quickly. And I'll put links to the asset in the description below this video, but here it is, live on the Unity Asset Store. Thanks for watching.